guys, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is the Julep box. I don't see a lot of people doing these unboxings. I get my Julep subscription from Amazon Prime. It's $19.99 a month. And I've really found that most of these products, you get 2 to 3 products and they're about $20 a piece or more. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. So let's jump into it. Okay. So you get the box in the mail, and this is what it looks like. Julep. You can find Julep at Ulta, actually, too. There you go. I was checking out some of their products the other day to kind of see what I had and what the prices were. So let me open this up. And I've gotten a couple of their lip products in these things, and they're really lightweight. I haven't really loved the lip products. There's a facial oil that I actually just gave to one of my friends that I actually own 2 of those, and I really do like that one. They have a hand lotion that I really like. There's just random things that come in here. You really never know what you're gonna get. I can get this open. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I'm snacking on some Pringles up in here because I was hungry. Okay. Go ahead and open it up. All right. So it says discover new beauty products every month. It's full-size products. It says blah, 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 blah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Doesn't really tell you what the products are. It just tells you a little bit about Julep. Doesn't tell you. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh. Ooh. Okay, hold on. This is the No Excuses Invisible Sunscreen Gel for Face SPF 40 UVA UVB protection. Awesome. A new facial sunscreen, which I can't get enough of those because I'm sunscreening it up lately, okay? Cool. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay. So it doesn't really say too much. This is what the container looks like. Awesome. Let's see if it says anything else. It says it has age-defying ingredients from Jeju, Korea. Completely transparent for everyday wear. So this is a Korean brand, Julep, if you didn't realize that. So cool. I'm definitely going to try this out and see if it breaks me out, because everything's been breaking me out lately. Like my skin I turned into like a 15-year-old. I don't know what's going on. So hopefully this won't, but I'm definitely gonna try this. Awesome. Awesome sunscreen. I'm actually curious to see what this retails for. Maybe I can, I'll look that up and put it in the comments below, or put it in the description below for you guys, so you can kind of see how much you're getting for your money. You know, for $19.99, this is a box. What are the total of these products, so you guys can see. Okay, next we have Julep So Plush Ultra Hydrating Lip Gloss. Okay. This is in the color Vibes. It's like a burgundy-ish color. Let's open this up. Oh, it says hydrates with hyaluronic filling spheres and natural oils. It's a cushiony, non-sticky texture. Cool. Okay. Let's see. Hyaluronic oils. Never heard of that. Oh, so this doesn't even look like this to me. I don't know. It's weird to see on camera, but this is actually really pretty packaging. I love their packaging. It's like this what do you call it? Okay, never mind. I can't think of the word. Pewter. Is it pewter? I don't know. Okay, this wand is strange. Let's go ahead and see. It smells really good. Feels good. It's not the perfect shade to go over this coral that I have on right now, but it actually feels really good. It's not sticky at all. It's actually cushiony and non-sticky. How funny. I'm liking this. Okay. All right, Julep. I like it. I'm definitely gonna stick. This is, wow. This is really, really comfortable. Very comfortable. I'm loving this. It's called So Plush. That's actually what it feels like. Wow. Okay. I'm liking this, definitely. Okay. That's good. Ooh, and I love bags. I love bags. Ooh. I love bags. Okay, let's see what this is. It says, make up the rules, brave, pretty, Julep. Cool. I like this. I'm obsessed with these little like beach bag type things, like carry-all things. This is so cute. Like, how cute is that? And it's in LSU colors. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. This is cute, and it has like a little pocket inside too. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, this is probably the best Julep box that I've gotten so far. Well, actually, no. There was one before that I actually liked, but this is really, really good. So for 20 bucks, you get the bag, you get this lip gloss, which I'm guessing it's between $15 and $20. I'm just gonna say, but I'm gonna link everything, not link everything. I'm gonna list everything and the prices below, okay? And then the sunscreen. This is a perfect summer box. Like, absolutely. You got your bag, you got your lip gloss, you got your sunscreen. You're good to go, girl. All right, cool. Okay, if you guys like these types of videos, if you want me to do more unboxings, because I do get like 5 subscription boxes a month. It's a little excessive, but that's okay. I can do all of them for you. So just let me know if that's what you want to see, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.